Here's looking down Hawthorne Street from Arlington Heights Road. More people did shoveling down their walks. Kind of surprising, actually. The snow wasn't too bad to move around today. It wasn't exactly powder, but it was fluffy enough and no salt mixed in yet. So you could push it. And so that was good. It wasn't too heavy. I'm seeing tunnels and nice cut little walkways everywhere I go. But it's a lot of snow. So nice right now. Cool. Nellie would love this. She would have been out playing all day today. And I don't think she would have even been cold. Now I'm at the corner of Pine and Hawthorne. Let's see how good they did.